It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Suburban. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, the programmable memory seat, door storage, and a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the power telescopic steering wheel button, traction control, park assist, lane departure alert, power adjustable foot pedals. Here we have some lighting controls, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and the trailer brake. Rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. And on the right side, we have our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, power liftgate button where we're able to set that opening to maximum opening, 3/4, or turn it right off, along with some interior light buttons and a place to put your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. If we push this button down below, it will reveal a storage compartment with a USB plug-in. We've got the hard buttons for our radio and media options, a CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning. We also have our rear climate control buttons down below, heated front seats, the engine push start button. Simply apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down to start the vehicle. We've got some power plug-ins down below, two cup holders, and on top of the center console is the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Tahoe, we have LED headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, running boards down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, we have the power lift gate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to pop it open. In the trunk, we have cargo hooks, the buttons to fold the second and third row seats down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. We're going to start by taking a look inside the back of this 7-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, and some power plug-ins, along with storage down below. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull the lever on the side of the seat. In the rear, we have 3 additional seats with cup holders and power plug-ins on either side. So come take a look at the 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe LT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.